Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add logo in CapCut video. So here I'm using CapCut for PC and you can prepare your logo before. For example, I'm going to add this Canva logo. You can import here as your logo, and this logo is PNG type, and just drag here and you can adjust duration until a finished video, and you can adjust for scale, position and size as you like, for example. And here we go. So this logo can be as watermark. Okay, that's how to add your logo in CapCut video. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click thanks button for appreciate and share. Thanks. Bye bye.